What's up, traders? Good morning, all. How are you today? Are you ready for this week? Let's see how the week is starting. We have Euro USD. Nothing here. We are just trading in a very narrow range. If we see the 4 hours chart, it's one of the same. Lower highs, lower lows. So, where we stand? Last week low 96.35 and high 98.12 will dictate the move. We might see another reaction higher to test the moving average here, 98.60 something, and then continue lower. The trend is to the downside, of course, so you can trade accordingly. There are a lot of events and ECB statements that are gonna say, oh, we are hawkish, we are gonna raise rates, blah blah blah, and this will be the catalyst to move to above 98. But of course they can do nothing because they will be ready to buy more bonds. Anyway, I believe we are gonna have a show like we show in gilts. Talking about gilts, this is 10 years treasury, the American. We see, trying to be honest, I bought some this morning at 4% yield exactly. But I just see a reaction higher and then new lows. Let's see gilts. Gilts, we saw opening strong because we have the news that the new chancellor will find the way out. So we are gonna have another U-turn in the mini budget bullshit crap. Okay, nothing to say here. Sell any rally in gilts. The picture is so clear. We are going lower, much lower. If you trade gilts, short this squeeze higher. And keep this as a reference because we go up, down, up. Collapse is coming here. It's so easy, so obvious, and this will come of course with another move in the cable. We see this is the daily chart, nothing has changed, just the usual volatility here after the plunge. We might see another leg up to congratulate the new U-turn, and then another U-turn will come in markets that will lead us again back to the way to parity. Okay, so this is good reaction. I like to see cable moving up so we can short at better levels. Let's see out another shit show here. What the fuck? This is going south, broke the wedge to the downside. This means big acceleration. I see testing previous low of COVID very soon, 50 something area. Of course, Euro cannot help but going higher. I believe we are gonna test COVID high as well here. This is a move above 160. I am not telling you to buy the dip here, but actually I am waiting to sell, to go short, because you are getting paid in swaps. It is the so-called carry trade, for now at least. So I like to be short Euro out in any rip. Like last Friday that I sold above 50-60 this area, and now I just took back the shorts. with some 50 pips profit, not bad. Okay, let's see gold. Gold, one of the same, like the risk on mood. Let's see how this will go. I don't see much move to the upside. I see breaking lower soon. Okay, let's see another shit show. USD yen. Remember this when I told you this was the previous intervention and I told you the reasons why it would fail. Today we have had another statements from Bank of Japan, okay, that we are monitoring FX rate, blah blah blah, we don't like FX rate move so fast, blah blah blah. Okay, when we see around 150, maybe they will intervene again and sell more bonds to buy dollars and then sell dollars to buy the yen, because it's strange. Central banks can only sell their currency. They cannot buy their currency easily because they must waste reserves. That is the reason that it's not easy to intervene, and probably you are gonna fail the intervention. And anyway, what should I know? Of course, the same in DXY. Yes, we see the dip again. We must buy the dip and then sell the rip. I know it's losing momentum, blah blah blah. Everything else that all the moon boys, especially in crypto, are calling, but I'm calling 115.50 the target here. Okay, so buy the dip. Buy the dip. I wish we see a big dip. Okay, 112.25 was the low of last week. Maybe we see lower. This is the 200 periods moving average. Okay, I wish we could buy below 112 and then sell above 115. Crypto, one of the same, trading like dead flat line here, just below 20,000. Maybe we see another rip higher, test again 20,000 and then boom down. New Zealand dollar trying to find a base here, but you cannot defy gravity here. I don't know, New Zealand it's like Australia. They must go down because they don't know how to handle difficult situations. They failed in COVID, they failed now in inflation regime. Okay, let's see. Who knows? Okay, of course, equity, we see another chance to the upside, very weak in S&P. The trend lower here is very, very clear. We are gonna see 3,400 soon this week. Maybe today, who knows? Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy this video and we talk in the next one. Be careful today. We have, I think, in 2.5 hours from now, the U-turn in GBP, in the mini budget. I don't know how the fuck they call it. We are gonna see another shit show and volatility in CAPE, so keep that in mind. Okay, traders. Let's see a little bit silver. What to say here? Another shit show. Boom. If we break $18, then we're gonna see the test of this support area, and I believe we're gonna fail this, and we're gonna see $60. Okay, that is for the silver guys. I know there are plenty that trade silver. And also let's see, last but not least, oil. the trajectory here is predetermined, like it or not. We are currently in this flag after the big rally. It was $20 move up, now we're giving some back. Consolidation here, and then boom, $100 is coming this week, fast, very fast. Okay, very, very fast, especially if we see a correction in the dollar. Okay, my traders, see you next.